good also, I feel, but I don't know. But I'm talking about like, you know, it's being honest enough to be true. That's what you know about. It's good, but it's not good. Which is good, can't it? Which is good and which is not good. Which one is good? Good, no? Which is good. Orang kan suka no like ngala sedang menkiran no dapat knowing Tengah ang buat menulis ke orang harus menulis ke orang tetapi bisa sumit ng ating sawan direct oh what feel it is like that now sekarang ang hold on can like mentapat it's different thing no whatever like even though you do you have a white wedding also it's no point because why most of the people what I want to say they have made this thing
Traffic jam blocks kayo.
If you really want that person, you should know how to like have patience and wait like
Sakot subak.
And in today's generation, I feel like
Yo,
I really got that reason why the 2.0, not 2.0, why the main person I feel hindi 2.0 ya, mancal aduh, film yuk daura bangas ngo no like I took it in that way but this was the reason otherwise there would have there's no other reason yet up till now done I did not do anything I'm today also upah smile yang akan smile why would I don't know for what reason after that why but mom
Lalaj traffic lalaj.
I was speaking with hapon mana ngan si smile tu lah untuk daripada ada kan ngatek sungguh ramai pada kalau untuk guru mama kurang apa dia bisa nak selama bisa langsung ada ni game and even taong malitsi carnival nga si Tek ni hindi mo bayad ng asta o nagda dan dia also he really wanted to go tambah na ba ang niya mag lang you feel what? What? Alah.